How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do is sign up for Amazon Associates, which is basically their affiliate program. I have signed up already. It does take a while to get approved, so you will actually have to wait some time to get started. And then you also have product linking, you have promotions, tools, reports, and help, where you can get certain tools to help you in building content for your product. Now, you can go into the ideas hub over here to take a look at some of the different ideas that previous promoters have already used. So you can go on ahead and get the link for a specific item. Let's say that you want to go on ahead and promote this item over here, which is one of the tech items or bathroom essentials, like whatever item you want to promote. You're going to click on get link over here. You're going to click on standard link or short link, or what kind of link it wants, whatever kind of a link you want. So you're just going to click on copy, and then you can go on ahead and start using this link to promote. Now, you might be wondering, how do I promote this on Pinterest? What is the strategy over here? Well, you can see this is like a breezy sundress that I'm trying to promote over here, and you can just open up the details of the item. So instead of promoting like a singular brand, you can go on ahead and promote a specific item. So you can scroll down into your home section, pick the item that you want to promote. So let's say we want to go ahead and promote. So let's say we want to promote this video doorbell, and what you're just going to do is, once you have the list, so you can go on ahead and copy the link, and then what you're going to do is you're going to head on over to Pinterest, and what you're going to do is click on create pin, and then you would upload the image. So you can just download the image off of Amazon, and then you can upload the image, add your title. So you can add a title like the best video doorbell, and then add a description of the item, and then you're going to add your destination link, which is actually going to be the Amazon affiliate link. This is one way to promote on Amazon, and this is like the standard way. Once you have actually done that, what I would recommend is you could click on create pin over here, and then you would make another pin for the same item, in which you would be like Amazon Essential. And then once you title that as Amazon Essential, you're just going to do the same description, talk about the item, how it's so useful, and then you're just going to add your destination link. Now, there is a better strategy other than just using the image off of Amazon. The better way to promote your item is you can actually go on ahead and create like a TikTok and just show the item, and then link your TikTok to your Pinterest account, or you just use the item TikTok. So you can even search for Amazon finds, and then you can click on videos over here, and there are some people promoting specific items that they found on Amazon, and then you can just use their video as well. But I would recommend that you create your own content and just basically make a video demonstrating the item, or just, make a video talking about the item. You don't even have to show your face or anything like that. You can just use that and then use the link and create the pin on Pinterest. Once you're on Pinterest, just take a look at your board, and then you can see you have your created pins, and you get statistics over there as well. And you can click on create idea pin over here, which is a new item in Pinterest, where you can drop multiple images, and which could serve as like a mood board. So you can actually create a idea pin, click on create new, and then you can upload all of the images all together for your different products that you're looking to promote, which could be along the lines of, hey, top Amazon products that are available, or Amazon essentials that you need, the best things on Amazon, things like that. So you can go on ahead and filter out the products that you want to promote. Let's say you want to promote something in the lines of fashion, so you're just going to click on fashion, click on show results, and only promote the items that are related to fashion. So you can create like a mood board of all those items that you're looking to promote, and then add the links for those in the specific pin, and then you will have your Pinterest strategy ready. Now, I do recommend that you do this frequently, because Pinterest mood boards are super popular, and if you go into the home feed, there are so many people adding so many different ideas on Pinterest, and people are always looking for ideas on Pinterest. So you can see things like this. So you can add an image like this, and you can add the links for the items in the outfit. So you can just take a picture of the models from the Amazon product that you're promoting. So like this one over here. So what you would do is you would just save this image, save it over here, and just take a look at the shoes, because probably if you're promoting a store, they're probably selling the shoes as well. So you can take the image of the shoes as well, or the accessories. So these are the shoes, and then you're going to click on save image as. gonna click on save, and then head on over to Pinterest, go on create idea pin, create new, and then you're just going to upload your pages. So you're just going to add the second page as well, and then you're going to add the image of the shoe. And then within each item, you can go on ahead and place it correctly. So you can just place it over here, and then you're going to resize this as best as you can. And then you're going to click on text, and then you're going to add the description, which is going to also have the title. And then once you have your title, you're going to add the description. So you can just paste your link. You're going to click on paste over here and paste the link, and once you've done that, you're going to click on next, and you're going to add the basics, which is going to be the pin title, the board, and the tag topics. Then you're going to click on publish over here, and this will allow you to get more clicks on your Pinterest boards, and people will click on your Pinterest boards, be like, hey, I like that outfit, I want to replicate it, and they will end up purchasing not one but multiple different items from your Amazon affiliates. And this is one of the most simplest ways to promote your Amazon product. You're going to get so many more clicks in this fashion when you're creating like these multiple pins, and just pick out one central theme and just focus your pins on that theme. This will get a specific audience interested in your Pinterest account, and once you get all these people that are already interested in fashion interested into your Pinterest account, they're going to be constantly visiting to see the new products that you recommend, and this will get you a pre-existing audience for your Amazon affiliate product. So for that, you do need to actually go on ahead and have a specific niche that you're targeting for your affiliate product. However, you can broaden this out and make like a general Amazon finds pin or account, and then upload all of those as well. So if you're going to create like a general account, then you need to make sure that it has like multiple different items from all facets of life. And what I would recommend is that you go with home and lifestyle products. Those always do very well on Amazon Associates. And when you're product linking for Amazon Associates, it's going to be the easiest. With lifestyle products, you have a very, very large community that is focused on home improvement and lifestyle on Pinterest as well. So you're going to be able to get the most out of your audience with those kinds of products. And if you're looking to promote makeup, then try to promote one item at a time. So if you're promoting a makeup item for 1 week, just promote that only and make pins related to that only, and then the next week move on to the next thing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.